Hi, my name is Erica, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make Korker ribbons that are used in creating hair bows, especially for funky loopy bows like the ones shown here. You're going to need mini clothespins, wooden dowels, 8 to 12 yards of 3/8 inch width grosgrain ribbon, scissors, hairspray. Additionally, you'll need a large baking sheet and access to a home oven. To get started, clip the end of the ribbon onto one end of a wooden dowel using a clothespin. Carefully wind the ribbon around the dowel, being careful to not leave any open spaces. The ribbon sides should completely butt up against each other. After every few turns, be sure to push the ribbon up so there aren't any gaps. Just for this video, I'm only making enough Korker pieces for one bow, but normally what I would do is plan out what colors are needed for at least several bows, and then wrap all of the dowels and bake them at one time versus making a batch of Korkers every time I need to make a bow. And what this does is it saves me a lot of time. Okay, so as you reach the other end of the dowel, you're going to cut the ribbon and then clip that other end with another clothespin. Continue winding ribbons onto the dowels until you have at least 8 of them wrapped. 8 dowels that are 12 to 18 inches in length will create enough Korker ribbons for one funky loopy bow. After all the dowels are wrapped, I then spray them with hairspray. To protect my work surface, I'll usually do this over some paper towels or an old towel. Then I will transfer the dowels directly to the baking sheet. Bake them at 300 degrees for 30 minutes. If using a toaster oven, bake them at a temperature between 250 to 275 degrees and for only 20 minutes. After baking, allow the dowels to cool completely so that the curl can set really well. Once cooled, remove the ribbon carefully. The curl should be tight and bounce back into the curl pattern after being handled. If the curl is too loose or loosens up substantially, the dowels probably weren't baked long enough or at a high enough temperature. So basically, that's all there is to creating Korker ribbons that keep their shape. If you're going to be using the Korkers and creating funky loopy bows, keep watching because I will show you how to cut them. Each Korker piece needs to be 3 inches long, which means a 16-inch strand like mine will produce 5 Korker pieces. The important thing to know is that they should be cut straight across the strand so that each end is flat. What you don't want is for the ends of each piece to be pointy. As you can see here, from 8 dowels, I was able to cut 40 Korker pieces. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Also be sure to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions at all, just leave a comment for me below. To see how I turn these Korkers into a funky loopy bow, please stick around and watch my next video. Thanks for watching.